asking you a few things. When I finish, I'll invite you to, in less than 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, tell us the story of your life before we start with the questions. Do you have a compliance with tax obligations to the state, that is the KRA tax clearance?
Yes, I do.
You have furnished it with us?
Yes.
Clearance with the Higher Education Loans Board?
Yes, I do. I submitted.
Clearance with the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission?
I submitted.
Certificate of Good Conduct?
It was also submitted.
Have you ever been charged and convicted in a court of law?
I was charged, but not convicted.
Not convicted. Are you a dual citizen, holding a Kenyan passport and a passport of another sovereign?
I am a Kenyan citizen by birth.
Kenyan citizens become dual citizens with other countries. Are you a dual citizen?
No.
No, you are not. Very good. What is your net worth? Himaya yako ni pesa ngapi?
I'm worth 100 million.
100 million. Do you have any current or anticipated sources of income?
Perhaps my pension.
From Parliament?
From Parliament.
Thank you. Now we'll open up the conversation by starting with the story of your life.